See the manual operation one. This button most for this one. Pump 1, control this part. Oil pump 2, the rear part. Press them forward. Means the material will move forward if you press this button. Same for the press back. This is for the rear part. And also, you can choose the product type. For example, the square type, unequal distance square type, single piece, and share material only. Share material only means it's just for shared materials. Cut to pieces. You can say A, B, C, D, direction this way. This is waste. And also E, this direction. This is central hole. So this is E. This one, the back. Central hole, this is F. And for the side punch, here is E2. The number, how many numbers you want to punch the holes, and the distance. For this mode, you punch the 4 holes and the 3 parts for this mode. For this one, is for single pieces. For this. For this mode, for this one, single pieces, and for the frame. Here. For this mode, for this 2 holes, 2 holes. This mode, shaft hole. This mode, embossing hole. Embossing. This one is sharing. So this is square 2, punching this part. This is share number 2 for the frame. Cut the frame. This is share number 3 for the single pieces. This is head frame, English enter system. Next page, we have square, unequal distance, single pieces, share material only. Now we do the square type. Don't forget material back and clear the orders. And this one is for the oil sprayer. You add oil here, and this is air. You need to put the air. And also we have the 2 buttons here. If the material come inside has problem, you press the emergency button. Now order management. So you can see here has so many orders already here. You can add orders here directly. For example, you can add here, or you can choose from here. For example, 16, I choose this one. Then data download here, download. So 16 order will like this one. It's here, and from here you can do the continuous order. I want to do from the 4 to 9. Order reset here. If this one cannot change, that means you didn't choose this one. Single or multi orders. This is shaft hole or embossing hole here. So here can save more than 1,000 data. You can choose from computer. You take this one out. Back one has USB. And also this one can arrange from small to the big, and also you can try to find. You can name it 800, 400. Okay, save. Don't forget to save. Okay. 17 is empty here. I want to do this one, 100, 100. Then data done. Okay, 100, this one. Then you come to say 117 is like this. And also here, like number 5. Number 5 is like this, 230 cover. Then you can add that data upload is become here. Then you can enter 250 times 300. It's here. It's back. Square. Then system start up. So same one for this. So you do the order from 2 to 4. If the material come inside, come to the number 3 order here, got problem, you need to press this button, make it stop. Come here, make the oil pump one start share recycle to cut the material. Then you need found the order, made the quantity to 0. Then system start up. The material will just finish this part, so no more wasting. So you can see there are so many orders here. So how to make it to be the 0? You back here, you found here from number 1 order. Okay, you found this one. Download data, it's become the 0 now. Number 2, download. Number 3, download. Number 4, download. Okay, you back, you see, from number 1 order, 0, number 2, 0, 0, 0, 0,